This is a YouTube collaboration with Jeannie's Palette and A Common Canvas, strawberries and watermelons. And I decided to do a watermelon since I had this piece of wood that I cut in half. It was a flat piece. It was pretty thick, and I didn't really want to use it as the base of something, so I cut it in half so I could use it for two different watermelon pieces. So I'm doing the front and the back of this. I don't finish the rind part on the back, but I do the red on both sides. And I dry it real good. As you see, I'm doing the opposite side. This isn't a perfect piece of wood, obviously, but it was a part of a tree that we sliced. And I'm just going to use it for this project. So I'm going to show you how to make this look pretty. So I dry it real good. And that way I can just lay it flat again and do the rind portion. So I'm going to take some darker red, which is kind of a burgundy color, and go on the outside of this to give it some dimension and make it look more like a real watermelon. I'm trying to just blend it in as I go. Then I try to get some more white out of this container, heaven forbid. And I'm just going with my flat brush all around the edge of this. Just one little white area. And I just keep going until I get to the other end. And I will finish out on the other side and the top. I'm drying all of the white because I didn't want to get the green in it. It would make it a lighter color green. This is kind of a holly color green that I'm using for this. And you would think I would do a lighter color and then do the dark on top, but I'm doing it the opposite way just because this is what I had. But I go all the way around. And then I just get those little pieces that are sticking out. I will finish the whole thing. As you see, I'm just doing the top portion for right now with the white and the green. Now dry those real good. Dry both sides, everything. And then I take a lighter color green to go on the outside to make the rind look more realistic. And I just take it and stipple all over it and dry it real good. I'll do the same thing with the top, and I'll do the same thing with the back. Now I'm going to take some black, and we're going to make the little seeds in this. The black is a little bit thick, so I can't really do it just in one stroke. If it were a lot runnier, then it would be easier to do. So just FYI, if you get it runny, you can just do it in one little fell swoop, but I'm just going to end up doing a little bit bigger. So I'm taking a different brush and I'm going around to make it look more like seeds. And then I add a couple here at the top. And then I take a little bit of white. And it turns out really cute, y'all. I appreciate you coming here on my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed this.